Tianneng Max series. More than 20 experts, 5 years of dedicated research. With 3 major technical upgrades, more excellent and stable performance has been achieved. We adopt nanocarbon fiber preparation technology. Power performance increased for 15%. Low temperature performance upgraded for 5%. What's more striking is that we adopt stepwise discharging technology to make the battery more durable. We also use 5 consecutive manufacturing technology adopted: casting, rolling, punching, coating, slitting. Cycle life amazingly increased for 30%. Tianneng masters the core technology and provides long-term service. Tianneng Max. Long battery life, long-lasting drive, never stops.